Hey, it's Marco and I'm going to show you how to convert Facebook profile into page. So first you want to open up your Facebook, and this works for either iPhone and Android. Go to the bottom left to open up your menu and then click on profile. I'm going to show you two ways you can do it. I can go back and see here you have pages. From here you can click on create on the top left. So this won't sync your profile with the page if you just create a new page. So there's a better way of doing it. So let's go back again, scroll up and go back to your profile. So once you're back on the profile, basically you can convert your friends to followers. Click on the three dots, scroll down until you see this turn on professional mode. So what it basically does, it allows you to have all the features of a page with this professional mode. So you can get paid for your content, see content inside, and let more people follow you. So once you turn that on and you go back, if you go to your profile and scroll down, here you will be able to see insights, information, your followers, and etc. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.